All right, today we're going to do a quick little video on how to install our intensifiers or converters. They're designed to turn any single function light into a dual function run, brake, turn, run, turn signal. And it's pretty easy, so we're going to show you how it's done. All right, first thing we're going to do is solder the intensifiers to the power wire, the red wire, on the joker machine turn signals. You can also use butt connectors or quick connects, but we seem to find that soldering is the best way to go. Okay, first we're going to add heat shrink to the intensifier. Now we're going to put some solder on the wire. Put some solder on the wire coming from the turn signal. That's done with the soldering. Now we're gonna put the heat shrink on. And that's all you have to do. Now the next step, you need to connect the ground wire coming from the joker light to the ground wire coming from the motorcycle. We're going to pretend like that's the ground wire coming from the stock turn signals. And yes, we did forget to put heat shrink on first, but we'll figure that one out later. And now we're going to use our super ancient bench tester to show you how the intensifiers work. That's low, that's high.